How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Today I'll show you a trusted method to earn online by typing. If you're looking for a reliable way to make money online, this video is for you. Stay with me as I explain how to get started, open an account, and withdraw payments easily. Let's dive into it. First, let me introduce you to the platform Banana. This freelance website offers various opportunities including typing, voiceover, translation, captioning, and more. However, we'll focus on typing. You can earn $4.50 per page for typing with formatting and $3.50 per page for typing without formatting. A single page typically contains 250 words. Big companies like Intel and HP are among their clients, so you can trust this platform. To get started, visit the official website. I've added the link in the video description for your convenience. After accessing the site, click on typing and then career form will appear. Fill it out with your first name, last name, email, country, zip code, and contact detail. If you are unsure about your zip code, you can easily search for it online. Complete the rest of the form, including your typing experience, the number of working days, and the rate per page. For formatting, select yes if you're comfortable with bold, italic, and underlined text. Once done, accept the terms and conditions and click on Grow with Us to submit the form. After your account is approved, you'll start receiving tasks. For example, a client may ask you to type a 1,300 word essay. Once you receive the task, you can type directly or use tools like Spinboard to rewrite the content, ensuring it's unique. Format the document as required, e.g., bold or italic text, and then save it as a doc file. Share the file link with the client, and once approved, you'll be paid via PayPal, wire transfer, or EasyBank. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more income-related tips. Thanks for watching.